Ever found yourself wondering if you're truly getting the most out of your communication platform? The kind of thought that pops up when you're clicking around, feeling like there's more power under the hood than you're currently accessing? If you're a RingCentral user or even considering becoming one, you've probably experienced that exact feeling. And you're right. RingCentral isn't just a phone system. It's a comprehensive communication powerhouse packed with features that, for many, remain largely undiscovered. We all use the basics, making calls, sending messages, maybe a video conference here and there. But what about the advanced functionalities designed to streamline your workflows, enhance collaboration, and even save you valuable time and money? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden gems of RingCentral, the features that can transform your daily operations from ordinary to extraordinary. Forget everything you thought you knew about your UCaaS platform, because we're about to unveil some game changers. Let's start with something that can revolutionize your customer interactions. Call queues with advanced routing. You might be using basic call queues, but are you leveraging skills-based routing or even time-of-day routing? Imagine this. A customer calls your support line. Instead of just going to the next available agent, RingCentral can intelligently route that call to the agent with the specific expertise needed to solve their problem, whether it's a technical issue, a billing inquiry, or a sales question. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about delivering a superior customer experience, reducing transfer rates, and ultimately, boosting customer satisfaction. And with time-of-day routing, you can ensure calls are routed to the appropriate department or even an after-hours voicemail based on your business hours, eliminating missed opportunities and frustrated callers. Next up, let's talk about voicemail-to-text and voicemail analytics. You're probably familiar with voicemail-to-text, a common feature. But are you utilizing its full potential for quick information retrieval, especially when you're on the go and can't listen to a full message? Beyond that, RingCentral offers robust voicemail analytics. Think about it. Insights into call volumes, average voicemail length, even keyword analysis within transcriptions. This data can be invaluable for identifying common customer pain points, training opportunities for your team, and optimizing your communication strategies. It's no longer just about receiving messages. It's about extracting actionable intelligence from them. Now, for those of you managing multiple team members or needing to keep tabs on project progress, team messaging with integrations is a hidden powerhouse. You're probably using the chat function, but have you explored its integration capabilities? RingCentral's team messaging isn't just for quick chats. It's a collaborative hub. You can integrate with project management tools like Asana or Trello, CRM systems like Salesforce, and even file-sharing platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. This means you can share files, track tasks, and update customer records all within your communication platform, eliminating the constant toggling between applications. This level of integration fosters seamless collaboration and dramatically boosts productivity, reducing context switching and keeping everyone on the same page. And speaking of collaboration, let's delve into RingCentral Rooms and hot desking. For businesses adopting hybrid work models, these features are essential. RingCentral Rooms transforms any conference room into a powerful video conferencing space with just a few clicks, offering a consistent, high-quality experience regardless of the equipment. But the hidden gem here is the flexibility it offers. And hot desking? This is a game changer for shared office spaces. Employees can simply log into any desk phone, and their personal RingCentral extension, voicemails, and settings instantly follow them. No more complicated reconfigurations or assigned desks. It's flexible, efficient, and perfectly suited for the modern agile workforce. Let's move on to a feature that can significantly impact your call management. Call park and pickup. This might sound basic, but its strategic use is often overlooked. Imagine you're on a call that needs to be transferred to another department, but that department is currently busy. Instead of transferring and hoping they pick up, or putting the caller on hold indefinitely, you can park the call. This puts the call into a shared holding area that anyone on your team can then pick up from any phone. This is incredibly useful in environments where quick handoffs are crucial, like busy customer service centers or collaborative sales teams, ensuring no call is dropped and every customer gets the attention they need. Another often underutilized feature is presence and status sync. You know how frustrating it is to call someone only to find out they're already on another call or away from their desk. RingCentral's presence feature gives you real-time visibility into your colleagues' availability. But the hidden part is its deeper integration. When synced with your calendar or even external applications, your RingCentral status can automatically update, letting colleagues know if you're in a meeting, on vacation, or simply away. This proactive communication minimizes interruptions and optimizes internal collaboration, saving everyone time and frustration. Finally, let's explore a feature that can genuinely empower your administrators and provide invaluable business insights. Analytics and reporting. You might be looking at basic call logs, but RingCentral's advanced analytics dashboard offers a wealth of data. We're talking about detailed reports on call volume trends, agent performance, service level agreements, and even geographical call distribution. This isn't just about knowing how many calls you received. It's about understanding peak call times, identifying staffing needs, evaluating agent efficiency, and making data-driven decisions to optimize your entire communication strategy. This depth of insight is a true hidden superpower for any business looking to improve its operational efficiency and customer service. There's a good chance that even if you're a daily RingCentral user, at least a few of these features were news to you. And that's okay. The beauty of a robust platform like RingCentral is its scalability and depth. Taking the time to explore these hidden functionalities can unlock new levels of productivity, efficiency, and collaboration for your team. Don't settle for just scratching the surface. Dive deeper, experiment with these features, and see how they can transform your communication experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.